Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm gonna show you guys how much I made in the month of January, the first month of 2021, how much I made in dividends. Now last year in December 2020, we ended the year with a bang. I made over $48 in dividends, but now we're starting off 2021 with an even bigger bang because I made more money this month than I made than all of the other months in 2020. And this is just the beginning of the year, guys. So make sure you stick to the end of the video so you can find out exactly how much I got paid from these 9 different companies. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each. With those 4 free stocks, you can keep them inside of the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 4 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money, like for real, it's literally free money, guys. Also, if you want some cryptocurrency is going crazy right now. I left the link to Coinbase down in the description. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency, guys. Both those links are down in the description, but enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on my Robinhood portfolio. On the month, I am up $182.02 on the month. So it's not a lie, I didn't have a great month, but at one point in time, my account did reach finally over $50,000, but it didn't end the month over $50,000. So we can't get excited yet. We need to end the month over $50,000. But right now I'm at $47,072.06. So not bad. It's fluctuating right now, but I'm usually up 0.5%. So not a bad month. It's not a bad month, but it's not the best month. So when the market crashed, the market had a little correction over Friday. It had a little correction over Friday. So when the stocks was going down, it's always great to have something to back that up, like dividends. Because even when stocks are going down, you know that you're gonna get paid out every single month or every quarter from these dividend stocks, these monthly paying dividend stocks and these quarterly paying dividend stocks. You know that we're gonna get paid out from these stocks. So even when the stocks are crashing, us dividends investors, we're not that afraid because we know that we're still gonna get paid out at the end of the month. So let's go ahead and check out what 9 companies paid me this month and exactly how much I made. All right, guys, here we are on the first one, WMT, which is Walmart. Walmart has been doing amazing during the pandemic. And I own a total of 6.6 shares of Walmart, and they pay out 54 cents per share. So I got paid out a total of $3.30. All right, so let's take a look at Walmart. Over the last year, Walmart is up 21.33%. Told you they did pretty good over the pandemic. I'm up 13% on Walmart, up $109.91. If we take a look at their dividends, they have a dividend of 1.50%. So that's Walmart. Walmart is a quarterly paying dividend stock. So that means every 3 months, I'm gonna receive a dividend payment from Walmart. So that's gonna bring my total to $3.60. The next one is PEP, PepsiCo. PepsiCo is a dividend aristocrat. They have been increasing their dividend. Is this the first year Pepsi did not increase their dividends? As far as my knowledge knows, Pepsi is a dividend aristocrat. That means they've been inside the S&P 500 for the last 25 years and increased their dividend payments every single year for the last 25 years. So to my knowledge, Pepsi is a dividend aristocrat. I have to double check on that though. Right now on 1 share of PepsiCo, they pay out a total of $1.02. Right now, over the last year, Pepsi is still down. They have not recovered from the pandemic. They're down 5%. If we take a look, I'm down 4% on PepsiCo, and they have a dividend yield of 2.89%. So I really do have to double check on if PepsiCo is still a dividend aristocrat or not. So when we go back, with them paying me out $1.02, that's gonna bring my total to $4.62. Moving on to the next one, AGNC. This is a real estate REIT. This is a monthly paying dividend stock. I own a total of 102 shares, paying out 12 cents per share. So I get paid out $12.24 every single month. Taking a look at AGNC, they are down. I have been buying the dips over the last year. They're down they're down 15% on the year. But right now I am up because I bought the dips. I am up 9%. I'm up $138.98 with my average cost being $14.21. If we take a look at their dividend yield, they have a dividend of 9.86%. This is probably one of the highest dividend yields companies I have in my portfolio, and they are also a monthly paying dividend stock. So as long as right here they're down below and haven't recovered to $19 yet, I'm going to continue to pick up some shares of AGNC because they are a monthly paying dividend stock. They are a real estate REIT, and I think they will eventually recover to $19. So for the meanwhile, I'm going to continue to pick up a couple of shares here and there. But with them paying me out $12.24, that's going to bring my total to $16.86. Moving on to the next one after AGNC is IIPR. I'm not going to talk about this one because last time I talked about this one, I got demonetized. Not sure why, but I own 1.5 shares. They pay out a total of $1.24 per share with a total of $1.94. If we take a look at over the last year, they've been killing it. They've been killing it. Over the last year, they're up 100%, 100.13%. I'm up 96%, up $143.67. I've been talking about this one for a while. I need to eventually grab some more shares. Been waiting for them to come back, but it don't look like they're gonna come back anytime soon. This is a quarterly paying dividend stock every 3 months. They have a dividend yield of 2.33%. So with them paying me out $1.94, that's gonna bring my total to $18.80. And that's stock number 4. Let's go to stock number 5, the monthly paying dividend stock, ticker symbol O, Realty Income. This is known as the monthly paying dividend stock. It's a real estate REIT. I own 8 shares. They paid out a total of 23 cents per share, paying me out $1.88. If we take a look at Realty Income, most real estate REITs have not recovered yet. Right now, pre-pandemic, they was up to $82. Right now, they're at $59, so it might be a good time to grab. I'm down 6%, and they have a dividend yield of 4.6%, which is amazing. Anything over 3 is amazing, right? Anything over 3 is amazing, but they have a 4.6 dividend yield. So with ticker symbol O paying me out $1.88, that's going to bring my total to $20.68. Moving on to the next one, PSEC. PSEC, I own a total of 8 shares, paying out 6 cents per share. Got paid out 48 cents. I think every time I open up a free stock, it is PSEC. So my gains on this, it says 533%. But I don't think I have bought PSEC. I think I bought maybe 1 share and the rest was open from free stocks. So my average cost is only $1. But on PSEC, this is gonna be the first one that is a double-digit paying dividend stock that is also a monthly dividend stock. So this one has a dividend yield of 11.47%. Insane. But if we look at it over the last year, they almost recovered. So they're almost back to pre-pandemic prices. So you could decide if you want to get on this or not, or wait for it to pull back a little bit more. But this is a monthly paying dividend stock with a double-digit dividend. So hey, that's exciting right there. So with them paying me out 48 cents, that's going to bring my total to $21.16. The next one is SPHD. The most popular one on YouTube probably is SPHD. I own a total of 30 shares, paying out 14 cents per share. So I got a check this month for $4.48. This is also a monthly paying dividend stock. This is an ETF. It tracks the S&P 500, high dividend stocks, low volatility. Over the last year, they are still undervalued. Well, they still have not recovered. Pre-pandemic, they was at $43. Right now, they're at $38, and they have a dividend yield of 4.76%. So with SPHD paying me out $4.48, that's going to bring my total to $25.64. Now hold your horses, guys. We're almost there. These next 2 stocks is going to say, hey, okay, I see you making that money. All right, the next one is PEY. PEY owned a total of 78 shares at the time, paying out 6 cents per share. Paying me out $4.95. Now look, I had 78 shares at the time. I reinvested that back into it, and now I have 89 shares now. So I should get paid out more next month. I'm up 11% on PEY. And we take a look at PEY. This is a monthly paying dividend stock as well. This one paid me out 4.14% dividend yield. So I'm loving PEY over SPHD right now. It's been treating me pretty well. And if we take a look on the year on PEY, it still haven't recovered either, so this still might be a good buy. So with PEY paying me out $4.95, that's gonna be my total to $30.59. Now the last one, NRZ, New Residential Investments. I have 190 shares, paying me out 20 cents per share for a total of $38. Yes, that's right, $38. That's insane. This is a quarterly paying dividend stock. I have a whole bunch of shares of this. On the year, I had a lot way up here at $17. It was doing really, really good, but the crash treated it so wrong. But what I did when it dropped all the way down to around $4 or $5, I started dollar costing averaging in, and I bought, at the time, I think up here at $17, I might have 80 shares. But when it fell all the way down to like $7, $8, $9, $10, I started picking up more shares, and I eventually got 190 shares. So now I'm only down 20% instead of it being down 43%, and I'm down $452. Now, they did drop their dividend to 5.12%. They used to have a dividend yield of 14.07%. So it was a double-digit dividend yield stock, but now it's just 5.12. So eventually, once they make more money, the dividend yield should go up because this is a real estate REIT, and it goes off of something like that. So when we go back, me getting paid out $38 from NRZ, that's gonna bring my total to $68.59. So let me go ahead and drop that in my portfolio tracker just so I can show you guys how I've been tracking my dividends and how I look year after year. All right, so here we are on my dividend tracker. As you guys can see, from 2019, I was only making like 78 cents in January, February, 48 cents, 33, 6, 10, 43, 48, 21, 33. So right here, on my first year of dividend investing, I made a total of $164. Last year, I made a total of $476.22. And this year, we're starting off the month with a banger with $68.59. All right, bang, right there. It's just gonna pop up right here on my portfolio tracker, and we're on the way to tracking this entire year. So we're gonna go over to my future projections. We're gonna, well, it's already filled in, $68.59. We're gonna type in my portfolio value. And 68.59. That's going to change my future projections, and there we go. This is my portfolio, guys. This is my portfolio tracker. If you want this portfolio tracker, join the Patreon. I left a link to this exact portfolio tracker in the Patreon and a full tutorial on how to use this portfolio tracker. So if you think this is pretty cool, I got my dividend income, I got my diversification, I got my stock portfolio, and I also got my investment goals. If you want access to this, click the link down in the description to Patreon. You'll have full access to this in a full tutorial. So there we go, guys. This has been a great start off to 2021, even though a lot of crazy stuff is going on with GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, short squeezes, Dogecoin. A lot has been going on, but to start the year off with $68.59, that is amazing. I'm going to take that $68 and reinvest it right back into these dividend paying companies, so I can make even more money next January. So if you guys want to keep up with everything that I do, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.